Welcome to my channel A to Z in Learning AI. In this video, we dive into 3 things you might not know about Microsoft Teams. I'll show you how to update your status, set a status message, and invite guests to a meeting on desktop. For more information on Microsoft Teams, check out the Microsoft Office 365 linked in the description down below. Please show your support to this channel by subscribing and hitting the thumbs up. Your status shows to the right of the Microsoft Teams on desktop. Here you can see how others see your status and message. You can also see how a guest email address can be entered, but I would suggest you validate their identity and his and/or her email address before sending an invitation. First, after clicking your profile picture towards the top, click your current status and select what you want to update to. For example, if you have something urgent to complete, you can select Busy. You can also send your status message in Teams. To do so, after clicking your profile picture towards the top, click Set Status Message. For instance, if you prefer not to be disturbed while working on something urgent, you could leave your status message like this. If you also check Show when people message me, your status message will display above their message to let them know you're unavailable and/or busy. If you want it to clear after a certain period, you can also do so by selecting one of the options under the Clear Status message after selection. Upon completion, you can click the Done button. Now, let's walk through the steps to take if you want to invite guests to a meeting. After clicking Calendar on Teams, time your guest's business account or consumer email account. After selecting Start and End time for a meeting and typing a brief message here, you can click the Send button. Then, an invitation will be sent to your guest's account. You can show your support to this channel by subscribing and hitting the thumbs up. Please note that your subscription, like, and inspiring comments mean a lot to me. For more info on Microsoft Office 365, check out this playlist. Thanks for watching and remain healthy.